Welcome to our channel, English with NS. Use of will and shall. In this video, we will learn the use of will and shall with examples. Will and shall are used to express future time. Shall expresses strong possibility. We use shall when we are near certain about an action. Will expresses determination or promise. We use will when we are highly sure about an action. Examples: I shall leave for Canada tomorrow. I shall discuss the matter with my parents. I will go whatever happens. I will try to get him a good job. Shall expresses command. Will expresses simple futurity. For example, you shall not lie. He shall obey my orders. He will be back in a day. I will come with you. In modern English, the modal verb shall is not used very much except offers or suggestions. For example, shall I help you? We shall go to the cinema today. Further uses of will are: to show prediction. Tomorrow, the rain will be finished. To make polite request. Will you come to dinner on Sunday? To insist on something. You will do what I tell you. To give reassurances. He will be well treated. To give orders. You will finish your work before going to bed. Things to remember. Contracted form of will is. Contracted negative form of will is won't. You won't speak to Harry. Contracted form of shall is. Contracted negative form of shall is shan't. I shan't say a word. In this video, we have learned the use of modal verbs will and shall. In our next videos, we'll discuss the remaining modal verbs along with examples. Until then, goodbye. Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, please like, subscribe and also press the bell icon. Plus, don't forget to comment and share.